Over the next 4 years, we at Dyfed-Powys Police and the Office of the Police and Crime Commissioner are focused on meeting the public sector equality duty, leaving no room for discrimination, advancing equal opportunities and promoting positive relationships throughout. Take a moment to watch this short animation where we detail our aim to pave the way towards a future marked by fairness and equality through the implementation of our strategic equality plan. But what does this actually mean? Well, it's about 3 simple things: eliminating discrimination, advancing equal opportunities, and fostering good relations. With these principles in mind, we've crafted 4 specific objectives to guide our journey towards a more inclusive society and provide a fair and equal service to our communities. Objective 1. Increase workforce and volunteer group diversity to be fully representative of the communities that we serve, focusing on recruitment, retention, and progression. By increasing workforce and volunteer group diversity, we're ensuring that our team is reflective of our communities. From recruitment to retention and progression, we're breaking barriers and setting clear targets to ensure everyone has a fair opportunity through implementing our positive action strategy. Objective 2. Taking a stand against racial disparities. The Police Race Action Plan and the Criminal Justice Board of Wales' Anti-Racist Plan sets out our commitment to become an anti-racist police service. With policies and practices that promote racial equality, we're addressing trust issues and building bridges with our diverse communities. Through regular reviews, awareness sessions, and engagement with the community, we're striving for a more inclusive and understanding environment. Objective 3. Strengthening connections with our communities is key. Through proactive community policing and engagement activities, we're building trust and fostering meaningful conversations. From informing diverse communities of their rights and involving them in specific areas of policing through our volunteer schemes, we're working hand in hand to create safer and more connected communities. Objective 4. Inclusivity is our culture. By promoting an inclusive culture, we're ensuring an environment where all officers and staff feel valued and respected. With mandatory diversity and inclusion training, policy reviews, and open dialogue, we're standing up against discrimination and creating spaces for everyone to thrive. With these objectives at the forefront of our mission, we're not just meeting our legal obligations, we're shaping a future where equality and fairness are the norm. Together, we're building a community where everyone can feel they belong.